Hello friends, welcome. In this video, you see the quick look of my new website. This is the PHP based web application in which we create result of a student. So here we see this is the home page of my website. This is the name. Here we can display name of our college which is came from database. This is my menu bar, home, student, teacher and contact page. Then here we can see a simple image slider, and here is a footer and having two links, home and contact. So we go for student and teacher as well. So first we log in inside the student. We log in with your username and password. Please show us wrong password. So okay, let's log in it. Okay, this is the home page of a student. This is the profile of student. Here we can see details of student. This is the roll number, PRN number and the name of student. Here this is two links are present, first for logout and second for change password. Here we can see the data. If the data is found in database, so the data will be displayed, and if no data found, so it shows result of message of no result found. And we see here roll number, name, semester, month of exam, pointer, grade and result. If we want to see detailed view of our grade or marks, we can click on detailed view, and we see here details generated inside the PDF. Okay, if the data is not found, it shows as no result found. So temporary logout here. Then we go to the teacher login. So we log in with admin name and password. Okay, and done. So here we see there is a lot of options, like in the user tab we have add user option, remove user option and the change password. In the setting we can change the name and the logo of our college. In the upload file we have 5 app options. First is upload name. Using this link we upload the list of students. Then this link for adding date of first semester exam, and respectively this for second, this for third and this for fourth. In the download section we can download the grade sheet of the student for display, as well as in this second link for download mark sheet we can download sheet of marks of a student. Both link are show the result inside a Excel file. The download scorecard option generate the scorecard of students class or a individual student also in the format of PDF. In the download format option we can download the all formula in which we upload that files. So we can simply download first sem data. This is download. We open it. We can see here this is the format of our file. So we upload some copy as some details. So this is the format. So I copy whole data here. Okay, so we can see here in this section this is the first column for PRN number, roll number, second for PRN, third for name of student, and this is the subject, practical marks of that subject and internal marks. So this is the format. For upload we use CSV file, so we save this file as CSV file. S7 desktop, testing, sheet. Okay, we save using testing sheet.csv file. Let's go it for upload. We upload this file after some time. Before it we see some other option. This option publish the result of a student. After publishing, user can view this result from their home or PC or mobile. Unpublished result, hide the result, and this option for delete the result. So we upload some files. So upload for same data. Here we click on choose file. Go to desktop and the name of is testing. So testing sheet.csv. Open. Click on upload. 9 record inserted. We can say this record are inserted. If any record are come second time or duplicate, so it is replaced by the second time or show in the red color. You can see here all this data are inserted in our database. We can see here the grades and the grade point as well as credits are already calculated inside our database as the remarks and the grade and pointer also. We can see here status and data are null because we are not published result yet. We again log in inside the student. We can see here no result found. So for it we have to publish the result. So the year of this exam is 2020. So we go to the teacher's side, go to publish result. Result is of semester first, so we click on sem first and enter the year. So this is the result has been published, and we can see here the semester 1 result has been come. So this is the result of first sem, and also here we refresh it. Here we can see it, all the records having year 2020 has been updated, status is 1 and the date is published date is today. Now this is one published and this is for result. Now we download the grade sheet. So we download grade sheet of first sem, and also we download the mark sheet also. And we see the scorecard. So we choose same, enter the year or roll number, anything. We can see the PDF file has been generated, and this is the scorecard of the student in the format of PDF, and we can download it from here. Also we see these files. We see here this is the marks, and third file is the for grades, so we see that file, this file. See here marks are replaced with grades. We close all the tabs. Now we go to the next option, which is forgot password option. We again go into the student corner. So suppose we forgot our password, so just we simply click on forgot password, write our email. So I write my email. So this is my email. Okay, the last email is from Google, so we click on send password. When the email ID is found, the system changed the password of username and sent to the user's email. So we see here password has been changed and same password set to the email. So we see here ewp.result portal. We click on it. We see here, dear student, your password has been changed. So this is my new password. So you can see here 8097 7969. So this is the option of recurring password. Now if you have any problem, suppose we have any problem, wrong mark sheet or wrong result not display, so we can easily contact with our admin. Here we write details. So simply I write my name, my email, roll number, class, and anything. So I have problem with the result, so I simply write problem with result or dot anything and click on submit. That time this message was mailed to the admin, so admin can see that mail and help to student what is problem, how to resolve that problem. So this is simple application named as result portal. I hope you like this video.